bit more central, but they all seem to drift at times. Now Mako making his way back from injury as well, so he was not in contention. Now Mako, we're going to see a lot more running down the left-hand side. A very different player though, so it's a bit of heavy expectation on Salles.
A massive one.
Stripped the ball, and Morena's efforts to take it away are unsuccessful. Now the cross from Mako! Good strong header.
With a few lucky touches there, falling to Mako, which is further forward there. Brilliant movement from Dubat, but they choose when to do so now. Sitting in a mid-block.
Quena got a fine goal. Matthews to cross. Clearance away. Ignacio Miguel. Mako. His own two players. Aubrey Modiva standing by, and we hear that Bassadin will be coming off, so perhaps not happy. Morena. Still keeps going. He's quick, this man, and he's going to get
Mako just getting the body in between the player and the man, the ball rather.
Modi. And Lobo keeps it in play. He's got support from Paseka Mako. Ball in. Floated in by Monyani. Easily cleared by Mokoena. Mako. Finds Mako. Modi on the flank. Salles. Chiefs in these closing stages seeking to win it. Marco's cross. This might be a chance. Mako, he's gone wide. Lilepo.